today's a little different. I'm going to be out on the streets in Toronto shooting with a very different approach. So I'm going to be using my vintage Pentax Takumar f1.8 lens. It's an 85mm, so it's a portrait lens, and it's going to give me a very different result from what you're used to seeing on some of my street videos, where I'm usually shooting with a wide-angle lens. I have a collection of modern digital lenses, of course, from my Pentax system, but I also really love the look of this old Pentax Takumar because it gives you more of a film look, more of a 3D look that I'm used to seeing, or I kind of miss from the film days. And the colors really pop as well. The lens is also very sharp, so I'm really excited to kind of show you some of the portraits I've made. Some of the portraits will be candids, where I'm just kind of sneaking up on people, surprising people. I want a very natural, unposed approach, so that's one way of doing it. The other thing I'm going to be exploring as well is, one thing I like to do is stop people on the streets and ask them to make their portrait. I love to hear their stories. I love to chat a bit, get to know them just enough where I can get a very natural, real portrait from them. I love your comments, so please leave them in the section below. And I'll see you towards the end of the video. Cheers. Sorry to bother you. Hi, I'm Carmen Go. I'm a Toronto street photographer. And I'm going to get you just kind of blur out the background. Yeah. I don't charge anything. I'm Carmen. Yes. Okay, right there, Buffy. So I'm just going to get sort of like, that's cool. Shooting with an old lens like this really gives you a different look, and I really enjoyed it today, and I really look forward to seeing you guys again in the next video. Please remember, once again, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you many more great adventures soon. Peace out. Regular coffee and a blueberry muffin coming up.